guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Payton and today I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be my curly hair routine and this video has been highly requested. I'm just gonna come at y'all with this quick and simple tutorial, and also if you guys do want to see how I applied my wig to my head and how I did my baby hair, I will have a separate video that will be linked to this video in the cards, and you guys can go check that out if you would like to see how I got this look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. So for the purpose of this video, I used a towel. It's good to use a towel, put a towel down, or do this in the shower. But I'm just going to start off by basically just drenching my hair. It could be hot water or cold water. I don't really think it matters. And then I basically drench the bottom, and then I use a spray bottle to get the top drenched just because I don't want to mess up the lace or my baby hairs because I did them before I did this. And so I'm just making sure the hair is just fully drenched, because if anything is left dry, it might end up frizzy or it just won't end up how I want it to look. Then I use this Detangling brush. I got it from the beauty supply store for like $5 or $6, and I just section my hair into 4 parts: bottom, top, side to side, right? That's 4 parts. And then I just comb through with my Detangling brush, starting at the bottom, making my way to the top. And I just take my time with this. This usually takes me like 10 to 15 minutes just to comb through my whole head, which is why it's good to have your entire head drenched. And if I feel like my hair gets dry, then I just go ahead and take the spray bottle and just drench it some more, just to ensure that my hair doesn't end up coming out when I'm combing it, because you don't want to like comb through dry hair with the Detangling brush, especially your curly hair. So after I part my hair, I use my coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie from Shea Moisture, and I'm just basically taking big giant clumps of that and just putting it through the entire hair. Like, I use so much of this stuff, like y'all can see it's not dime size amounts. I drench it on there just because I want a wet look, and the more you put on there, the heavier hold that it will leave on your hair. And I just do this from the bottom to the top, side to side, and I just make sure that it's everywhere. And then I take my Detangling brush and I go ahead and just comb it out to ensure that the product gets everywhere. Then I just take this argan oil and I put about a dime size of that in my hand, and I just put it throughout the entire hair. I feel like this just makes the hair look a lot more healthier and shinier. And then after this, I just take my hands and scrunch all of the hair, and I feel like this helps define the curls and get them nice and curly as they dry. So that was it for my curly hair routine. It's been about 30-40 minutes since I finished it. I tried to get it so that my hair was like damp, but I'm gonna record a video later when it's dry so you guys can see the finished result. But this is just basically it, and it definitely dries to a wet look. My hair never gets like frizzy because I use the curl enhancing smoothie, and it kind of like prevents that. The curl enhancing smoothie has a pretty heavy hold, but that's what I like for all my curly hair units. I always use the same thing. I usually do this when I wake up in the morning time, and at night I'll just either braid my hair into 2 braids, 2 regular braids, or I will do 2 French twists, which is basically just parting your hair like this and twisting them in this motion, and then like, yeah, twisting. So I would basically twist that one forward and then switch and twist that one forward, and I'm twisting it forward, but the 2 braids together are going backwards, so it'll be forward, forward, but they're being twisted backwards. Forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward, backwards. And this is a really easy French twist that I do at night. And then I'll just basically do this all the way down, put a scarf on around my edges, and then I would put a bonnet on, and then I go to sleep, wake up in the morning, and then I do my curly hair routine as I showed you guys. And that's what I do. I don't do my curly hair routine at night. I wouldn't recommend sleeping on wet hair just because it'll stink and it might mat and tangle up. So I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big giant thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Bye!